Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day, whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. What we have today is an unboxing from White Mountain Knives. I was lucky enough, I picked up one of these knives. There are two knives in here, a little bit different styling, same model, well not same model, same maker, same price. I bought one and told Justin if he'd send them both for me to review, I could see the difference and I'll send one back. So this is going to be an interesting unboxing to get in and look at these two fixed blades. First thing I want to do is say thank you to the channel members. Thank you guys and gals so much. I do appreciate everything y'all do. And I want to say thank you for just anyone who takes the time to come in and watch my knife and EDC content. Thank you. I appreciate it. And all you channel subscribers, love you guys too. I appreciate all of you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go from this side here and I'm going to get my trusted Amazon balisong that I've not yet cut myself with. As long as you open it the right way, that won't become a problem. But what these are, guys, is these are little EDC fixed blades designed by a guy, and I'll mispronounce his name, named Igor Bortolussi. Igor Bortolussi, I think is his name. But what we've got here is we've got a Model 1 and a Model 2. I think from looking at the website, the Model 2 is the one I'm going to be most interested in. But the Model 1 is very interesting because he's integrated it with a thumb choil. It looks like an upside down knife. So we're going to look at this and we're going to see if it's as wacky looking in the pictures as it is in person. So this is VT406G. I don't know which one that is. And this one is the VT406GC. Okay. So let's open this one. Comes with a nice little leather sheath. This one is going to be the Mirror 2. No, this is the Mirror 1. Okay, guys, so the Mirror 1, y'all tell me what you think about this. This is the knife. This is the edge. This is the way this knife is designed to be held. This was the first one he designed. I love the swedge on the blade because I actually thought it was flipped over and this is how you cut with it. But it utilizes this thumb choil. The grip's backwards. It's M390, small little knife, pretty cool, but between you, me, and the fence, we'll leave this one out here. Let's look at the other one. Because this is the one that was more traditional to me, that appealed to me a little bit more. That had Justin not wanted me to review both of them, I would have most definitely picked up this one without having a chance to look at them. So that's the Viper 2, or the Mirror 2, and that's the Mirror 1. Whoops. So both of these knives are in their holding position. This one you hold like this, which I can already tell you is probably going to be the one I choose. This one you hold like this. I don't like the way my finger gets so close to that blade there. I can see how it would give you extra leverage, but for my jam, and again, I'm going to carry these. I'm not going to cut with them unless I decide right away that I know I'm going to keep this one because the other one's going back and it's going to be for sale. But this little pocket dropper really interested me because it is made out of leather. It does have a magnetic clasp that Igor designed. So it should go down to about right there. So I guess what this does is it is a simple belt clip that you can put in your pocket, lock it over like so, then you've got it ready to pull. It does not have a feature to where you can close it up, but I don't anticipate that you would need to. I think it's just designed to go on your belt or inside your pocket. And then this little guy, I'm afraid with this, I would cut my thumb off because I don't know if I could ever... Look at this, guys. I mean, they're literally the mirror of each other. So if we take this knife and we lay it like that, they are identical except for the wedge. But the blades are on the bottom side. So I don't know about you guys. Tell me in the comments if I'm making a mistake. But I think this is a neat knife, but I don't think it's my jam. I think the Mirror 2 is more of a perfect EDC knife. Let's see how slicey these guys are. And these are available at White Mountain Knives and at Viper Knives. I'll put a White Mountain Knives website link to these and you guys can look at them. And if you use Javon 10, you will get a 10% discount and free shipping. Laser beam on mirror number 2. Equally sharp laser beam on mirror number 1. Guys, I'm a fan, and I will try to carry both of them and use them both. I don't want to use them hard unless I decide early on to get this one. I don't mind using it kind of hard, but I do have a feeling, just from what I'm used to, my normal carry, and the fact that there's nothing here to keep my finger from running up on the blade except my thumb, I think for my, and plus I'd have to cut a sharpening choil in there, I think I'm going to go with the Mirror 2. But I'm going to do a side-by-side comparison review. We'll talk about it. Guys, I so appreciate it anytime y'all come in to check out my knife, my EDC content. It does mean a lot to me. It kind of validates the fact that I stand around and talk to myself about knives to a camera. So I'm going to call this right over 6 3/4 inches. Right over 6 3/4 inches. With a 3 1/4 inch blade, all the way back to the micarta. 2 3/4 inch cutting area versus, this one's going to be longer. 3 1/4, what did I say this one was? 2 3/4. So you get an extra 1/2 inch of cutting area. One benefit to that knife, I guess. Handle, 3 1/2, 3 1/2. And this one, you've got that forward choil, which gives you 4. And this one, I guess if you use that forward choil, it gives you 4 too. So guys, what we have here is the Viper Mirror. I'm going to stick this one right in there. Let's see if I put it in my back pocket. That's the way I want to draw it. And I'm going to stick this guy in my back pocket and lock that magnet down. See what kind of retention we got there. Oh yeah. And then I'll take this guy and I will carefully stick it back in the box till we do the review or till I carry it. And I may not need to do any hard carrying on it. Maybe just do a review to show the differences again to people who didn't see the unboxing, because I just really think the Mirror 2 is kind of more my jam. But guys, that is a couple of cool knives. I knew I was going to buy one. I couldn't make a decision, and Justin, who's a good friend of mine at White Mountain Knives, said, hey man, I don't mind sending you one of each, and you just send back the one you don't want. I said, well, hey, I'll review both of them for you and try to send you some traffic. So I will put my White Mountain Knives affiliate link in, or not affiliate link, I don't have an affiliate link, it's just a discount link. So I'll put my White Mountain Knives discount link, which is Javon 10, and their website in the description, so you guys can go look at these. They've got a whole bunch. So they've got micarta handles, various wood handles, various G10 handles. So this knife is probably available in 6 variations of each Mirror 1 and Mirror 2. And again, M390, Stonewqsh blade, Igor Bortolussi design, and just a cool knife. Yeah, I don't think I can get past this and this lack of anything there for my finger, even though the thumb choil is keeping everything pushed back. But I think I'm favoring the mirror too. Guys, do me a favor. Look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. If you're so inclined, hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon. If you'd like to, thumbs up or thumbs down. Most importantly, choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.